Hey devs, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you two ways to change app icon and app names in Flutter. First, to change app icon with the launcher icon package, install it into the pubspec.yaml file. I already did it, just let me uncomment this. And also create asset folder in which you upload your desired app icon logo, as you can see this, and make sure you imported the asset folder in the pubspec.yaml file and hit run pubcat. After running pubcat, go to the launcher icons document, scroll down, and you can see it will give you 4 platforms code: Android, iOS, web, and Windows. I'll only copy for the Android and iOS. Make sure you copy it correctly and paste it into the pubspec.yaml file on the same line of dev dependencies. I already did it, just let me uncomment this, and make sure you give the image path as well where your app icon is present. And then there is only one command left: copy it and paste it in the terminal and hit enter. It will give you successfully generated launcher icons, and then restart your application. After restarting, your app icon is changed. Now change app icon manually. To manually change the app icon, first you need to create your app icon sizes. First you need to create your logo sizes, different sizes. So go to this appicon.co site and upload your desired logo. It will give you only 5 to 6 platforms: iOS, iPhone, iPad, macOS. I only do for iPhone and Android. Hit generate. Okay, in the zip folder, it will give you 2 folders for Android and for iOS, as you can see this. Now go to your existing project in the VS Code, Android, app, source, main, and res. In the res folder, there are 5 folders of map which containing default Flutter logo, as you can see this. We want to replace this. Okay, so click right and on the res folder and reveal in the file explorer. Delete these 5 folders of map only. Delete it carefully, okay? Then go to your app icons folders. In the Android, copy these 5 map folders which containing our desired logo and paste it into that res folder, okay? Okay, then close this Android folder, then find the iOS folder and go to the runner folder. In the runner, as you can see, there is assets.xcassette folder, right? Right click on it and reveal in the file explorer. Delete this assetx.cassette folder and then go to the app icons, and now this time we will drag this, okay? Drag this folder into the runner. Close both the windows, and if you want to make sure it, then you can see. Okay. After this, run pubcat and then stop your application and restart it again. As you can see, it will change our logo. Sometimes it doesn't change it because the invisible error. Let me show you. Go to the Android folder and in the app source main Android manifest file and find the Android icon. As you can see, there is a map and IC launcher name. make sure you check it what's your app icon or launcher icon name in the MIPF folder, right? And make sure they both are same. Change app name manually. How to change app name manually? First, we will check this what is our app name. We want to change it. First, go to the Android app source main Android manifest file and find the Android label. Android label contains your app name. Let me write Flutter Queen. And then go to the iOS folder runner in the info.plist file and find the CF bundle name. CF bundle name tag and it containing your app name and change it, and then stop your application or run pubget. Now this time we will change app icon through a Flutter launcher name package, and it has 93% popularity and 90 pub points. So first install it into the pubspec.yml file, and if we see it is the same as the launcher icons. So let me install it. Copy this line and make sure you paste it in the same line on the same line of dev dependency in the pubspec.yml file as we did for the Flutter icons. Okay, and change your app name. This time Flutter Queen, not dash included. It's giving me error because my project is depends on the both launcher icon and launcher name. So I just want to check the launcher name package work or not. So I just comment this launcher icon package right now. It will work or not? Yes, it is working, but it is not good for using the both launcher icons and launcher name. This is another package, Flutter app name, and it has the same popularity as Flutter launcher name, but 100 pub point. Uh, okay. Okay, make sure you install it in the pubspec YAML file and then paste this line in the on the same line of dev dependencies. The work is almost the same, but this time I want to check that this app name package work with the launcher icons package or not, or it will give me some error. I just want to check this because if in my case I usually use Flutter launcher icons. So if I use this Flutter app name package, so it will give me error or not. It doesn't shows any errors and it worked with the launcher icons package. So it changed my app name with the cool app. So let me know in the comments which package you like, or you go with the manually changing app icons or app name or with the package. Thank you, that's all. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.